How to lock your Instagram on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So for you, in order to lock any app on your iPhone, you can use this clean and neat little trick, which is set a time limit or use screen time to restrict the amount of time that you can use the app. And once the time limit has been passed, you will have to put in a password in order to use the app. Now let me show you how to set it up. So first up, you will have to go into settings, and once you're in settings, you can go ahead and click on screen time. Make sure screen time is enabled. By default it is not, and once your screen time is enabled, scroll down and set a password. Make sure you remember this, and it is not as easy as mine. And once you do that, you can go ahead and click on OK or cancel. Yeah, I'm skipping the Apple ID additional restrictions. So yeah, once you set up a password for your screen time, you can go ahead and click on app limits, and then you can click on add limit. And once again, you will have to type in the password in order to add a limit to any app. And once you're here, you can go ahead and click on social, since that is where Instagram is. And once you click on Instagram, you can click on next, and make sure you add 1 minute. That's the minimum, and that's what we need for now. So yeah, once you do that, you can go ahead and click on add. And that's it. Since I've already used Instagram for a minute for this day, you can see over here beside Uber, the Instagram app has a small little hourglass symbol beside it, which means that its screen time has been passed and you cannot use the app unless you know the password. And since it's your phone, you will probably know the password. And yeah, once you do this, you can click enter the screen time passcode. Once you click on the passcode, it'll ask you on how long you want to use the app or approve time limit. And if it is not your phone, and if someone doesn't know the password, they will not be able to use the app. It's as simple as that. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.